This one's going to go nice and this is going to bite quick. It's going to go by quick, so pay attention. Okay, guys, can you guys not put him in a headlock? Please don't put him in a headlock. Thanks. So, subtracting integers. Subtracting integers.
Subtraction.
Thank you. Subtracting integers. The song seems silly, but subtraction is literally the opposite of addition. Can we all agree on that? Okay, so if I have 4 plus 6 equals, what's 4 plus 6? 10. Is 10. What is 10 minus 6? 4. What is 10 minus 4? 6. They literally are the same thing, right? These are called number families. You all know them. That's how you store facts. That's how you know that 4 plus 6 is 10, not 24. Okay, you've got that into your brain. What I need you to start to get into your brain now is with integers, you never subtract. If I don't subtract integers, what are the rules for subtracting integers?
Nothing.
Nothing. There are none. You're going to use the same laws you do as when you add. But there is a change. The reason being is that, let's take a look at our number line. A positive on a number line takes us what direction? What direction does positive take us?
That away. Right.
The right. It takes us to the right. Which way does a negative take us?
The other way.
Takes us to the opposite way. I'm glad you didn't just say to the left. Okay? Because a negative is actually what we call a reversal signal. Okay? So if I have a positive, I am going to the positive side. So a positive takes me this way. A negative is going to reverse the direction. Does that make sense? Are we okay on that? Nod. Again, if you could see the group, it's like 3 people like this, everyone else like this.
I nodded.
A little bit of drool coming out. Now, let's take a look at this, because if I have positive 3 minus negative 2. We've seen this before. Where have we seen a double negative before? In what operation have we seen a double negative before?
Bet in operation.
We did it earlier on today. Not order of ops. Where have we seen double negative?
Doing this other video.
Yeah, which video? Multiplication video. If I have a negative times a negative, what do I get? I get a what? I get a what? I get a positive. That's called a double negative. Now this is why a double negative cancels out. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Really? This is what I do every day, and I often don't get the response back. So that's why I keep asking. By the way, when I film videos and I ask you questions, I actually want you to respond back to me talking on the video. I know you'll feel ridiculous, but have some fun. Here we go. If I have positive 3, which way am I going? I'm going to the positive side. How many? 1, 2, 3. I've just gone positive 3. Now, what does the negative do? Yes?
Negative takes away the amount that it is from the positive.
That's right. Now, if this was a positive, which way would I continue to go? 3 plus 4. I go 1, 2, 3. Which way is this positive actually moving me? It keeps going which way? It gets bigger, right? If I have negative 3 plus negative 4, let's look at that. Here's 0. I go negative 3, 1, 2, 3, but the plus is a reversal as well. Does this not say turn around and go back? But then I have a negative. What does the negative do? Yeah, that's right. It is going to reverse it. So now I'm actually going the opposite direction again. That's why a negative plus a negative gives me a bigger negative. Can you not right now? Thanks. So I've gone positive 3, which I'm going this direction. What does the negative do to my direction? Or the minus? Negative is a reversal sign. So if I'm going to the right, which way does this one take me?
Left.
Takes me to the left. You see that? Now I'm going to the left, but what does this negative do? Is your brain exploding?
No, mine's melting.
What is a negative?
Mine's going.
Negative is a reversal signal. We are changing directions. Yes, Madison.
Something about this.
Hold on. Go ahead.
So if you have a number line and you're subtracting integers, would that mean you would go right?
Okay, here we go. So once we flipped our direction with the subtraction sign, this sign reverses it again. So which direction am I actually going?
Right.
I'm going to the right. You're correct. So it is the opposite, but only when we have a different sign. So the rule is this. See how this, I've gone reverse, but now I'm reversing again? Positive 3 minus negative 2 is the same as positive 5. With these numbers, how else could I write that equation? 3 plus what is 5? 3 plus 2. So here's the rule when you see a subtraction in integers. Does everyone see how these two reversal signals basically cancel each other out? It's like me going like this. I'm walking forward, reverse, reverse again, and then keep walking. That's going to look really weird on the video, by the way. So what we do when we have a subtract, an integer, we are going to change the minus sign to a plus, and we are going to change the second sign. Only the second sign. Weird, eh?
New page.
Negative 3 minus positive 2. Let's look on it at a line. So here is 0. Where am I starting here? What's my first place I've got to go?
Negative 3.
Which way is that?
Left.
Left to the 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm at negative 3. Okay, so right now I'm going this direction. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, what does this sign do to it?
It makes it go the other
It reverses it. Okay, but here I have a positive, so what do? We have to change the subtraction sign to a positive. And what do I have to do to that positive? I have to turn it into a negative. Now I'm going to add another 2. Answer is negative 5. So the rule is very simple. You change the subtraction sign to a plus, and change, just a sec guys, I'm almost done. Change the second sign. In short form, you add the opposite. That's tomorrow's lesson. Okay, thanks guys. All right, tomorrow we'll do some work on that. Then it's going to be kind of an independent work day tomorrow. Okay?